want to see what you do. I don't want to see what you losers.
Right, Ginger? They're
Yeah.
so annoying. Girls, I will put you in detention. You won't come on our super exciting boardwalk trip.
Fine, Miss Hollywood.
That's better. 3 of each, please. There you go. Children, what do you say to the man?
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, kids. Where are you heading?
We're on a field trip to Valakahuhi. I think that's what it's called. Why don't you go check?
I'll go check.
It's called Goo. We're going to Goo.
Well, that's the plane that just came back.
Really?
Really?
Girls, we're not going to Goo. I told you. Our flight does not leave that way. Look, it's the next one. We're going to Plosk.
You'll have to wait.
Yes, we came here early so that we could get with our baggage and stuff.
Okay. Well, you guys can go and sit over at the other table. Also, check your luggage and check you just in case you have any electronics.
Woo! Let's go.
Electronics in your suitcase are fine. You know what I mean? But just like electronics on you, not okay.
Thank you, young man. All right, girls. Time to go to bed.